With vulcanization, we can run a compiler script on the HTML file of the element we wish. This script will go through the element and find all of the resources needed. Once it finds a resource, it will load it and append it in the file. It will run this recursively in the elements included as well, and it will find resources in them. It will append those as well. This way, we will have one big HTML file instead of tens of small files. I'll open the package.json file and add the gulp vulcanize task. Then, in the gulp file.js file, I'll include a copy task, which will copy the pd-dashboard element and paste it to the new file pd-dashboard.vulcanize.html. Then, we'll set up the vulcanize task to run the vulcanization process on the pd-dashboard.vulcanize.html file. In the exclude array, I'll add the files I want to exclude from the vulcanization process. Usually, we want to load the Polymer project externally to load asynchronously. Then, we'll set some more properties, such as strip comments if we want to remove the comments from our code, inline CSS to embed or not the CSS reference in our page. I'll set this attribute to false so I can load them externally. Inline scripts to embed all of the scripts in one page. And finally, script excludes to exclude some scripts from the vulcanization process. For the full list of properties and documentation for the gulp vulcanize task, you can visit the following link. We'll also have to include our vulcanize task in the default run sequence. I'll open git bash and run npm install to download the module, and then run gulp to run the vulcanize task we just created. Lastly, in the index.html file, we'll load the vulcanized file and not the pd-dashboard.html file. If I open pd-dashboard.vulcanize.html, you can see a big HTML file with all of the resources included. I'll start the server now and refresh the page. Everything has loaded as usual. You can see that the requests are fewer. Imagine now thousands of users using our site. We have saved thousands of requests from our server, making our site faster and relieving a great load from the wire.